How to sublimate a flip sequin pillowcase. You will need a heat press, a flip sequin pillowcase, a ruler, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, and a tape dispenser. Now let's first begin by measuring the area in which we are going to place our design. We want to keep our design no bigger than 10.6 inches in width and in height. Let's create a design for the flip sequin pillowcase. Go over to the top and select custom size. Make sure your units are in inches and input the size of the sublimation paper you are using. In my case, the width will be 11 inches and the height 8.5. Then select Create New Design. At the left-hand side panel, select Elements, and in the search bar, type Fall Vibes Groovy Rainbow. Select See All and select the design you wish to use. I'm using this one here. Next, we're going to go back to Elements, but this time we're typing Groovy Butterfly. Select the design you wish to use. I'm using this butterfly here, and I'm going to size this one to 2.6 inches by 3.2. I'm going to place it on my design. Select both images and select Group. And together we're going to size it to 10.2 inches by 7.6. Title your design. Head over to Share, select Download. Change file type to PDF print. Select Flatten PDF. Save download settings, then click Download. Save one more time, then open up the file. Open up the print manager for the sublimation printer you are using. I'm using Sawgrass SG500. I will be using PrintMate. Take your design and drag it to Add Files. Scroll down, make sure mirror is turned on, and change the product type to polyester. Go up to Color Management, and under Color Mode, select Vibrant, then select Print. Our sublimation print is ready to go. Let's start by prepping our flip sequin pillowcase. Decide which side you want to place it and flip all your sequins on the white side of the sequins. One side is silver, the other side is white. Then secure your sublimation print down using heat-resistant tape. Place your pillowcase inside the press and sublimate at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. When the time is up, remove the pillowcase from your press and remove the sublimation print right away to reveal your final project.
Congratulations on completing your first project using the Flip Sequin Pillowcase. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out.